If books and coffee are your perfect pair, you need to see this bookstore in the heart of Belgrade. Welcome to the Serbian Academy of Science and Arts Bookstore and Café, a true haven for book lovers, artists and dreamers. Located on the famous Knez Mihailova street, this bookstore has it all. A huge section of Serbian and international books, comics, beautiful design notebooks, planners and unique gifts. There's even a special corner with books about Belgrade and Serbia, in Serbian, English and Russian, plus some of the most famous Serbian novels translated into English. And if you're learning Serbian, you will find some books to help you on your journey. After exploring the shelves, you can relax in their cozy cafe with a coffee or maybe some homemade iced tea. My personal favorite is raspberry iced tea. Save this reel for your next trip to Belgrade, and if you want to discover more of Belgrade with me, check out the latest episode on my YouTube channel.